Most people overthink their first AI product. I didn't. I gave myself 48 hours, a white label base, and a simple rule. If a feature helps creators or entrepreneurs move faster, it goes in. Today I'm breaking down exactly how I built a full AI strategy workspace. Videos, images, coding, writing, audio, chat, templates, everything in just 2 days. No mystery, no fluff, just a clean breakdown of what I did, where I customized the white label base and how it already crossed 100 signups. Let's get into it. Creators and entrepreneurs juggle a stupid number of AI tools. One for video, one for images, another for writing, another for code. A separate transcription app, a research tool, a voice tool. It's chaos and it slows everything down. I wanted one workspace where you can think, write, script, research, generate video, create images, fix code and publish without jumping between 10 subscriptions and a dozen tabs. The core idea was simple: speed through consolidation. I didn't start from scratch. I used a white label solution that gave me login, dashboard and basic structure. And that's what made 48 hours realistic. But I didn't want a generic clone, so I rebuilt every part that matters. The flow, the prompts, the routing system, the templates, the UX and the outputs. The white label base did the boring plumbing. I focused on the intelligence layer and the user experience. One model can't do everything. That's a myth. So I wired in the best from each category. OpenAI for reasoning and writing, Anthropic for long-form structured thinking, Gemini for fast multimodal tasks, Veo for clean video generation, Stability AI for images, 11 Labs for realistic voice, Luma AI for cinematic motion, Perplexity for real research, Fel AI for high-speed inference, Grok for ultra-fast chat, and Claude for coding. Each task automatically routes to the engine that's strongest at it. But however, you are free to select any model manually when needed. Users don't have to think about models, they just get elite output. AI video generator. Just type your idea and you instantly get structured scenes, a full script and a generated video. No editing, no technical skills, just concept to output. AI Image Studio. Need brand shots, ads, thumbnails or product visuals. You get fast, clean, consistent images without touching Photoshop. AI Writer. This isn't another bland blog generator. It produces structured writing with real clarity, personality and brand tone baked in. AI Coder. Want to prototype a feature or fix a bug? Claude gives you raw speed and OpenAI handles the deeper logic, so you can ship ideas faster. Audio transcriber and enhancer. Drop in any raw audio and it comes out clean, polished and ready to publish. Behind the scenes, it's Whisper and 11 Labs doing the heavy lifting. Universal chat workspace. Think of it as your strategic co-pilot. You can plan offers, analyze markets, rewrite scripts, research ideas and build funnels. Everything happens in one place. 100 plus predefined templates. This is where the real power kicks in. I build templates for every core task a builder needs. Product descriptions, landing pages, strategy docs, value props, competitor breakdowns, email sequences, video scripts, SEO content case studies, everything. These aren't simple prompts. They are complete systems. They make the tool instantly useful from day one. I completed the entire build in 5 phases. Each one had a clear purpose, a strict time limit, and zero room for overthinking. This is exactly how the product went from an idea to a working AI workspace in just 48 hours. Phase 1: Infrastructure. This was the foundation: setting up the white label base, configuring authentication, building the dashboard skeleton, adding model keys, and wiring the initial routing. Nothing fancy, just getting the plumbing in place. Phase 2: Core feature wiring. Here's where the tools started to come alive. I hooked up video generation, writing, image creation, audio processing, and the universal chat. It wasn't polished yet, but it worked. And that's what mattered. Phase 3: the template system. Easily the most demanding part. I wrote, tested, and refined more than 100 templates. Because this is what transforms a tool from interesting into something people actually use every day. Phase 4: UI customization. Cleaning up flows, removing friction, tightening every interaction. Good UX isn't decoration, it's speed. And speed is everything in a workspace like this. Phase 5: stress testing. This is where I tried to break everything on purpose, found what annoyed me, fixed it. Simplified steps even more and made the whole system feel predictable and smooth. And by the end of hour 48, it still wasn't perfect, but it was stable, useful, and valuable. So I shipped. No ads, no complicated funnels. I just showed it to the people who actually feel the pain daily. Entrepreneurs, creators, freelancers, indie hackers, product builders. They don't want 10 AI tools. They want one workspace that helps them think and produce faster. And that's why the first 100 signups came almost immediately. Now I'm taking this far beyond a solo workspace. I'm building full team collaboration so entire groups can brainstorm, plan, and create inside the same AI environment. You will be able to share workspaces, hand off tasks, and actually build together instead of working in isolation. I'm also adding strategy blueprints, ready-made systems that guide you from idea to execution without having to guess the next step. Think of them as guided workflows for launching products, building brands, or planning campaigns. Then there are automated content pipelines. You make one decision at the top and the AI handles the downstream work. Scripts, images, captions, emails, everything in one continuous flow. I'm improving the video side too. Not editing, just better, cleaner video generation with more control so the output feels consistent and on brand. Business users will also get full custom model selection. If you want to switch between OpenAI, Anthropic, Gemini, Grok, or anything else per task, you will be able to do it with a click. And the big one coming soon is the brand brain. A memory layer that actually learns your tone, your assets, your rules, your style. So the system starts creating exactly the way you would, without you having to repeat yourself each time. And the crazy part, everything you have seen so far is still just version 1. If you want a full walkthrough or a teardown of the exact templates and routing logic, tell me in the comments. And if you're building your own AI product, here's the truth. Don't wait for perfect. Start with a scaffolding, customize what matters, ship fast, iterate faster. I will see you in the next one.